Hi.
What are you doing?
You're being very funny. Oh, now you're gonna get shy? Is the bear waving at me? Is that what you're doing? Hi, princess. Aw. Do you love your bear? Mama, do you want me to come get you? Was that a yes? Hi.
You're adorable.
Where are you going? Hi, funny bear. Were you chilly? Were you chilly? Are you all cozy now? Whoop. Well, that just looks like a bear hug. That's what that is.